Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open settings, then go to the home screen and wallpaper section, then go to the set wallpaper, then you can select one of the static pre-installed wallpapers on your device, or you can just go to the photos section and select any other image or photo which you can take by yourself or download from the internet. So then let's select our photo, then tap set as. Then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.